During my last trips I noticed that I was always a bit lazy with drinking, especially when it was hot outside. So I wanted to have my bottle outside my bag that I can reach for it more easily and found this bottle bag which I fixed on the rear footrest. The bottle is good enough protected from the heat of the exhaust by the bottle bag, which has even space for my disc lock. On the rack I have a fixation for the bigger fuel can, which carries 3 liters, and my first aid kit and everything I need in case of emergency, so that I have a quick access to it. I always thought the rear footrests are ideal to carry small things, maybe. The problem was always to fix them properly, but for the other footrests I found a bigger bag which carries now the small fuel can. It fits perfectly into the bag. It does not disturb the fixation of the panniers or my feet. The extra lights are installed now. It was quite easy. Easier than I thought. And they have a power switch of their own, which is here. I bought an extra switch, but because the original switch was not looking very serious, so I installed a new one, and it seems it really fits to my other switches. So now all the lights are working, as you could see, and I have the Garmin installed with a real power station, which is giving it electricity all the time when it's fixed, and my second GoPro that is filming myself while I'm riding.
Auf die nächstgelegene Straße fahren.
Okay, Garmin is already giving me advice. Nice. So this is the first time now I'm filming with 2 GoPro cameras, and you can see my new navigation system and the GoPro ahead in front of me, and you can see me putting on my gloves from 2 perspectives. Ain't that fantastic? Ain't that sun fantastic? Great. Nearly no wind. Nearly 20 degrees at nearly 10 p.m. I have to go for 1 more hour of motorcycling on the motorway to Hamburg. So, bye bye. Let's go.